Right, first things first, let me apologise. Episode 6, last episode, I was supposed to get the floor welded in, but a few things happened. I ran out of gas, I ordered new gas, and I ordered a regulator and flow meter. They didn't turn up on time, which brings us to now. The compressor is sat there in front of me, behind you, and the capacitor is broken, so I've ordered a new capacitor for the compressor. It's in bits on the table. Finally got a fire extinguisher. The regulator has turned up, so now I've nipped here before work. I'm going to put the regulator on the gas, hook it up to the welder, obviously test it, and then I'm going to fettle with the floor pan a little bit more on the Mini. I have ordered some Cleco clips, which I actually want to use. Hang on, let me show you. So, you might not be able to see, but this is still a gap. If I push the floor pan this way, it does seat very nicely, but clearly it doesn't, and I have no way my arms out that long to push the floor out to be able to weld it. So I think I'm going to wait for the Cleco clips, drill some little holes and pull this panel to the lip before I weld anything in. Oh, and this is the compressor. It's in bits. It also deserves a bit of a clean. The capacitor doesn't actually look swollen or broken, but it's not doing capacitor things, so yeah, I'm gonna clean that up, fix it up, and I'll see you shortly. Look, I think it fits perfect. I've just cut a hole in this shelf and this shelf. Set it on a little rubber mat to try and stop the vibrations a bit. You know what? Who needs to buy a welding cart? And if anybody's interested, I'm using Hobbyweld 5. A mate of mine uses Hobbyweld 15, but the rep recommended Hobbyweld 5 to me for thin sheet metal, so I'm going to give that a go. Not actually welded with the new gas yet, but I plugged it in and it all works perfect. Cool guy. Yeah, so I'm sick of saying it. I'll make a promise to you now, if I don't weld the floor in this week, I'm not going to make an episode. Because I can't have it 4 episodes without the floor being welded in. I'm not going to weld it in today because I want to wait for my Cleco clips. They're coming on Sunday. Hopefully early. If not, I'm going to have a late night stint. I'm going to weld it in on Sunday. Fingers crossed. And then I'll get my episodes out on Wednesday. Which brings me to my next point. I did a little quick Google on what's best, what the best day is to post, and it says Wednesday evening. So I'm now gonna, instead of posting Sunday night, I'm gonna post Wednesday evening about 6 PM. So it's Wednesday today actually. So my episode 6, which I keep talking about, is coming out today. But it's also anyway, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna try and fix this compressor. Do some test welds with the new gas. Hopefully it's sweet. I can imagine it is. And have a little tidy around, because look at the floor. I have not swept or hoovered this floor for about 6 times now. Now then, sports fans, today is a big day in the unit. My mate Isaac's come back, and he was going to come and help me weld the floor pan in, finally, I know. But we started stripping the compressor apart, got new oil, went to the shop, and basically it's running perfect now. And we just started welding in the floor pan. So I'll just flip you around. He's a bit shy today, I don't want to be on camera. Done a few spot welds. This one. Got the new gas ready, it's all welded in nice.
Played with your Cleco clips.
Yeah, we've got the Cleco clips in just to make it a bit more flush. And we do have a casualty already. We'd started welding the Cleco clip in. So yeah, I think we're just going to spend some time now, get you on time lapse and weld the floor in. Yay!
Did that upset you?
I was not going to replace that floor. It was perfect. Right, I'll replace that then. So we've been welding not very well. We've been testing different settings. Some are good, some are bad. Blowing holes like nobody's business. Making creatures. But yeah, so we're going to take some finagling. Yeah, I'm not going to video this anymore. I'm just going to do it and then be like, oh, it's done. Bye. First true bubble of the car. Happy with that?
You happy with that?
Yeah, I am, yeah. That's gone way better than I thought it was going to go.
Crack on then. Get them in.
thought it was. What are you saying? You happy with that?
Looks good, that, yeah?
As a welder yourself?
Pro well, obviously. Yeah, looks sick, mate.
Yeah, I'm actually quite happy with that.
Get your Cleco clips out.
So I'll do these, I'll do some more back ones.
Yeah.
It takes a while to fill though, like that's got a bit of a gap there, so that'll take even longer, but those are flush and those. Don't film me now, that's scary, Isaac.
Now then guys, it's currently Wednesday. I'm at the unit again before work because I wanted to get some welding done. And I will show you now, I've got pretty much one full side welded in up until there's a break right near where your feet would go in the footwell, which needs a lot of fettling. I haven't touched that yet. So yeah, I've got mainly one side done and then up against the back of the floor pan where the subframe mounts. That's pretty much done. I've done all the plug welds and now I'm going to do a seam weld just because. I don't think it needs it, but I think I'm going to do it anyway. And yeah, pretty excited. My missus is in London this week on Saturday, so I'm going to come here, walk the dogs for a while, and then I'm going to get the front of the floor pan welded in also. And I just want to say while I'm here, big thank you to everybody who's commenting, subscribing, and yeah, I appreciate the advice, I appreciate the help, and I appreciate people actually following along and being happy with the progress, you know. One kind guy even said he wouldn't mind if the floor pan took 10 episodes to come out, so big thanks to you, mate. And a big shocker, I thought we were like 140 subscribers, and then today I've just woke up and I'm at 149. So I set myself a silent goal to have 100 subscribers by Christmas. It's currently November. No, it's not, it's October. It's October the 29th. And I'm already at 149, so let's try and go for 200 before Christmas. That'd be nice. I'm just going to eat my lunch and then a bit more welding and then back to work. Chicken and rice. it's in. It's all welded in, apart from the doorstep area, because obviously that's rotten and it needs replacing. All the spot welds are done, the main crossbeam is done. The only bit left to do is the tiny little square patch, which I'm going to show you in a second, and kind of like near the wheel arch. So I need to get this patched in, obviously, but I'm not sure whether to do that now or wait for the doorstep to be in. There's a couple more spots that need doing. That was a huge gap to fill, so I used some filler metal, but that's fine. This is the square that needs replacing. God, that's so hot. And obviously I grinded all the welds down. Me grinding the welds down isn't perfect, but it's only on the floor, so I'm not going to cry about it. If somebody can let me know in the comments if I should seam weld this. Obviously it's got spot welds, but I don't know whether to inside and out seam weld like there, like I've done there. Probably should, because it'd be stronger. There's a few mistakes that need filling, obviously, but I'll get them. So yeah, I can finally say it. The floor's in. What a journey. Yeah. I reckon that's going to be it for this video, because I think it's long enough as it is. I think it's about 18 minutes. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in episode 8. Cheers.